Very well. So today I am going to explain you poem to the elephant. Last lesson of English was also based on an elephant. It was a story about an elephant. Today's poem is also about an elephant. So, have you ever seen an elephant, students? How does it look? I will tell you how it looks. First of all, it is grey in color. It is grey in color. It has two small eyes which shine so bright. Students, do you know elephant is the strongest and biggest animal on land. वो काफी बड़ा और काफी strong animal है. It has 4 legs like pillar. मैम ने पिलर क्यों बोला उसके legs को? Because उसकी पूरी बॉडी का वेट उसके 4 legs उठाते हैं. It has 2 ears like fan. मैम ने अभी फैन क्यों बोला? Because वो पूरा दिन फ्लिप करता है अपने ears को हवा देने के लिए खुद को. It has 1 short tail. उसके पास एक short tail है, छोटी सी. Students, it has 2 long teeth outside his mouth called tusk. T-U-S-K-S, tusk. Students, its skin, elephant skin is very hard and rough. Elephant also take us for a jolly ride. We sit on it and we goes for a ride. Students, do you know what does elephant eat? It eats soft plants, grass, fruits, stem of banana and much more. We generally find elephants where in jungles. You know, student, one more thing. They live for hundreds of years. Students, which animal is this? This is an elephant. Today, we are going to do a poem based on an elephant. So, as you can see in the picture, elephant has 4 legs like pillar. See? कैसे उसकी पूरी बॉडी का वेट लेके बैठे उसके 4 पैर. It has 2 small eyes which shines so bright. It has 1 long nose. एलिफेंट की नोज को क्या बोला जाता है? A trunk. एलिफेंट के नोज को ट्रंक बोला जाता है. So, it has 1 long trunk which help it to breathe and suck water or eat food. They eat with the help of its trunk because as they are so tall, they can't put their mouth down. It has 1 short tail. See student, कितनी छोटी tail है इसकी. It has 2 wide and broad ears like fan. देखो उसके कान कैसे है, कितने बड़े कान हैं उसके. फैन के जैसे क्यों बोला मैम ने उनको? बिकॉज वो पूरा दिन उसको हिलाता रहता है ताकि वो कूल रख पाए खुद को, और जो भी उसके फेस पे मच्छर बैठते हैं वो भी भाग जाएं। सो दिस इज एन elephant. I told you about an elephant. Students, can you see two long teeth of elephant? These long teeth of elephant called tusk. T-U-S-K-S. Tusk. Students, do you know how much elephant eats? It eat a lot and also drink so much of water. It can drink almost 14 liters of water at a time. It's a large amount of water, students. We generally find elephants in jungle. They also live for hundreds of years. Let's start reading. The elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. The elephant walks, W-A-L-K-S, walks. What does walk mean? Chalna. The elephant walks like this and like that. Elephant कैसे walk करता है? Just like a bell. Bell को कभी देखा है ring करते हुए? In the same manner, elephant walks. Full stop. Student, this is a sign of full stop. When we put this sign, when our sentence complete, that time we put full stop. He is very tall. T-A-L-L, tall, comma. This is the sign of comma. So when we put this sign, when we have to add one more sentence or a thing, that time we put a comma. He is very tall and he is very fat. F-A-T, fat. वो कैसा है? वो tall है, लंबा है और वो काफी मोटा है. He has, H-A-S, has no fingers, F-I-N-G-E-R-S, fingers. He has no fingers, but he does have toes, T-O-E-S, toes. उसको fingers नहीं होती पर उसको toes होते हैं. toes क्या होते हैं स्टूडेंट? हम अपने पैरों की फिंगर्स को toes कहते हैं. उसको फिंगर्स नहीं होती पर उसको toes होते हैं बिकॉज उसको 4 ही लेग्स है, उसको कोई हैंड नहीं है. एंड गुडनेस, G-O-O-D-N-E-S-S, goodness. Gracious, G-R-A-C-I-O-U-S, gracious. What does it mean? It means the quality of an elephant is he is very polite, very obedient and friendly. Students, do you know elephants are very intelligent? If we train them, they can be very useful to us. What a nose! WHAT, what a nose! NOSE, nose! Exclamatory mark. Monkey sitting on a tree. Seen nose of an elephant and got surprise. The monkey say, "Oh, that long nose I never seen in my life." So, what a nose! Thank you and have a nice day. Take care.